Elizabeth Ibay and family, Lagundima Tabing and family, Talisar family and Naif family, Maxine Renyao, Donabel Abunda, Casimiro Estero Siabo and family, Bisnar family, Gary Castro family, GNL Shipment Incorporation, Julie Caloma and family, Percy Musli, Jocelyn Dixon and family, Jael Kaisen Kagungaw, Angeline Bersamin, Virginia Lona, Kagungaw Bersamin and Mortega family, Tony Garcia and family, Rudy and Maribik Pacomes, Maverick family, Junel Bustamante, Puñales and Faustino family, Shirley Juan and family, Teresa Aclet, James Sanchico and family, Rosalie and James, Carla A. Francisco Young, Osal family, Christopher C., Marilyn Berdin and family, Kambal Ihara, Jeff and Arceli
Peanuts.